Hairstyling technology has become more advanced than ever, and modern beauty devices are now designed to combine performance, comfort, and luxury into one experience. The limited edition Dyson Supersonic R hairdryer in Ceramic Apricot and Topaz is a perfect example of how technology and elegant design can work together to create a premium everyday styling tool. The first thing that immediately stands out about this hairdryer is its stunning appearance. The Ceramic Apricot and Topaz color combination gives the device a luxurious and modern feel that looks incredibly stylish. Unlike ordinary hairdryers that focus only on basic functionality, this limited edition model feels carefully designed to stand out both visually and technologically. The compact and lightweight structure also makes a big difference during daily use. Traditional hairdryers can sometimes feel bulky or tiring during longer styling sessions, but the Dyson Supersonic R is designed for improved comfort and balance. The lighter design helps make styling easier while reducing strain during use. Performance is one of the biggest strengths of the Dyson Supersonic R. Dyson is known for advanced airflow engineering, and this hairdryer is built to deliver powerful airflow that helps dry hair faster and more efficiently. Faster drying not only saves time during busy mornings, but also helps create a smoother overall styling experience. One of the most important features is intelligent heat control technology. Excessive heat can damage hair over time, leading to dryness, breakage, and reduced shine. The Dyson Supersonic R is designed to monitor temperature levels carefully, helping protect hair while still delivering effective drying performance. This balance between power and protection is one of the reasons many people appreciate premium styling tools like this. The airflow system is designed to feel smooth and controlled, rather than overly harsh. This helps improve styling precision while creating a more comfortable experience during use. Whether users are drying, smoothing, shaping, or styling their hair, the controlled airflow makes it easier to achieve different looks. Another reason this hairdryer stands out is its versatility. Different hair types require different styling approaches, and the Dyson Supersonic R is designed to work across a variety of textures and styles. Whether someone has straight, curly, thick, or fine hair, the device is designed to provide effective and gentle performance. The quieter operation also improves the overall experience. Many traditional hairdryers can become loud and uncomfortable during use, especially during longer styling sessions. Dyson's engineering helps create a smoother and more refined user experience that feels more premium and modern.